The clean lines aesthetic is a fundamental reason for choosing laminated birch plywood, as the linear edge detail of ply is compelling. That ethos is enhanced if you eradicate protruding door handles. The density and structure of the birch plywood means you can profile the timber for finger pulls on drawer fronts and kitchen doors. We have a separate video on how to cut our plywood. Please refer to that to achieve a clean edge before cutting. Decide on the size of the cutout you want for your finger pull. In this case, we have an opening 100 by 55 mm with a finger pull of 10 mm. The router tool we have used leaves 3 mm back and front, so there is ample room to get sausage fingers into the pull detail and leaves enough ply for integral strength. Using the handheld router, take out the majority of the finger pull area in 3 passes. First pass, go in 3 mm, then 8 mm, and finally 12 mm. Create a fence on one side of the router table and use this fence as a guide to ensure your cut is straight and consistent. Measure and mark the table so the finger pull is located in the center of the door. Place the workpiece face down on top of the router table and ensure that you keep pressure on the piece to keep it flat at all times. Router one side of the finger pull area until you have the required profile. If there are to be multiple drawer or cupboard fronts, repeat for each to ensure the finger pulls line up on them all. Now that one side of the pull is smooth with the required profile, move on to the other side and repeat using the fence as your guide. The halfway point is once both sides have been smoothed out and you are left with an uncut piece of ply in the middle of your finger pull area. Burning in the corners of the finger pull is hard to avoid, but is not a concern as it will not be seen when the finger pull detail is viewed face on. Now you have both sides of the finger pull to your desired profile, use the router to remove the remaining plywood in the middle of the pull and router until smooth. Thank you for watching. You can now treat the exposed edges of your plywood, which can be seen in our other video, how to protect your laminate and ply work surfaces.